Hi all, this is Lakshmi, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of PCE at SNSCT. So today I'm here to discuss about the lecture series on emerging trends in sensors and MEMS. And the topic which I'm going to discuss is all about wearable sensors. So we all know that wearable sensors are the very important part in health sector. So here these are the electronic devices so which are worn on the body. So that would collect, process, transmit physiological data to provide insights into person's physical and psychological condition. So these sensors comes in various forms like smartwatches, patches and integrated textiles, and they're used for everything from tracking the daily activity to advanced medical monitoring of conditions like heart arrhythmias or brain activity, etc. So the main part advantages of these type of wearable sensors is its portability and the ability to enable the remote and personalized healthcare. And with the rise in technology, so this would enhance the overall quality of the life. So this is all about wearable sensors. So talking about the empathy part of the wearable sensors. So here, as far as the health sector is concerned, so this empathy is very important in such sector. So first we have to analyze collect the user feedback. We have to acknowledge the user health needs. So right from the kid to the old age, we have to collect feedbacks which ensures the patient comfort, the safety, and how they are using it, and all these feedbacks to be collected so that we can enhance the personalized healthcare approaches. And also whether the user, if for example if we consider an old age people having a portable wearable sensors with them, whether they are comfortable with the device, or if they are aligned with the technology properly, how we can improve their comfortness, and all these things comes under empathy part. So we have to first ensure the patient safety and comfort, and we have to implement the technology. So now how we can define this wearable sensor is that, so they are small, lightweight devices which is worn on the skin or integrated into the clothing to measure various signals from the body. So the bio signals are collected from the body with the help of the electrodes which is placed on the surface of the skin by applying the gel. So here what happens is the biopotential is generated from the human cell, and each human cell is acting as a tiny battery, so that would generate the potential, and the sensors would collect the data, and then it is being processed with the help of the signal processing unit. So we have to ensure the incorporation of these devices into the clothing or accessories, and the data tracking, it is to collect the physiological data, and connectivity enables the connection with the cloud or the mobile, so that the doctors or the remote could analyze the data. So the working principle, that is the ideate behind this type of sensor, is three steps: data collection done with the help of sensors, data processing which is processed through various algorithms, and the data transmission which sends data to the user devices. So here we could see a small example. So how the person at a home, the data are collected and it is given to the remote place where the doctor is available, and alert is given if any emergency, the ambulance is sent. So this is how a wearable technology works. So now the types of wearable sensors. So there are four different categories like fitness trackers, smartwatches, health monitors, and clothing sensors. So the fitness trackers, they are normally used to track the physical activity, the heart rate, and sleep patterns of the person. Smartwatches, what they do is they combine the traditional timekeeping with smart technology. So these would provide notifications of the health monitoring, and it can also transfer the data. And health monitors will monitor vital signs such as blood pressure, blood glucose, and oxygen saturation. And clothing sensor, where the wearable sensor is integrated into the cloth in order to measure various metrics like respiration and temperature. So applications, so as already discussed, so fitness and wellness, medical monitoring, sleep tracking, and sport performance. So these are the various categories where wearable sensors are used. So in fitness, the person so who are into their fitness track, so that would provide feedback and improve the performance. Medical monitoring like telehealth and all these things, if any chronic illness, that would be transferred to the remote doctor and immediate action could be taken, and that also reduces the frequent hospital visits. Sleep tracking to ensure the better quality of the sleep tracking is also done, and for athletics these kind of sensors are very useful. So advantages, so real-time data is getting collected here, personalization, convenience and motivation. So these are certain advantages. So the challenges as we are dealing with the health sector, the accuracy issues are there, privacy concern, a patient data would be transferred, and battery life, we have to ensure the proper battery because, for example, if you're using pacemaker, if the power is lost, then the signal generated would get affected. So battery is very important, and technology acceptance. The user should accept the technology with comfort and safety. So today's assessment, which of the following is the primary advantage of wearable sensors in healthcare? So continuous real-time monitoring is the good advantage here. And which of the following is major challenge in design of wearable sensor? So as we have discussed, the power efficiency and battery life speaks much here as we are dealing with the health sector. Thank you.